cha-cha together. Cha-cha-cha together. So stay like this. Maybe a little bit to the side, yeah. So how to learn cha-cha? So first we're gonna do rock step with your right foot. So you go rock, step, then we have triple step to the side. Triple steps, 3 steps to the side. Triple step to the side. So go rock, step, no, small step. Cha, cha, stop, 1. Stop like this in a beautiful posture. Up. Very good. Yes. Now from here, collect your feet together. We're gonna do rock, step forward. Rock, step. And now we will do cha-cha to other side. Cha, cha, and then stop. Count 1. Stop, stop. Leave this leg to the side, like this. Turn out your foot, strong leg. Yes. That's your cha-cha. So you have a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Small steps. Rock, step, do smaller step. Cha, cha, side. And go rock, step, small, cha, cha, side, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Or we can introduce more professional count, how to count cha-cha. We're gonna count it from count 2. So we say 2. Say with me, 2, 3. So this is your 2, this is your 3. This is your side. Cha, cha, 1. Just do cha, cha, do a little bit smaller, but otherwise it was great. Collect your foot. You go, we say again, 2. Excellent. 3. Small. Cha, cha, 1. And that's your cha, cha, cha. 2, 3. Excellent. Cha, cha, 1. And 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1. That was good. Let's try it together with your partner. With the same close position, you collect your feet, step back, 2, replace 4, 3, side, cha, cha, 1, 1, leave your leg to the side. Yes, 1, so a shoulder picture position. And collect, 2, 3, 2, 3. So it's rocking English. 2, you don't need to bring your feet together, just rock. 2, 3, then side, cha, cha, 1. Go 2, go 3, say with me, cha, cha, 1, beautiful. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Start rotating this around. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Go 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Go back 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2, 3, look at me, cha, cha, 1. Beautiful. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. A little faster. 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1 and 2 and 3. Cha, cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1 and 2, 3. Cha, cha, 1.